time is good afternoon. Okay, nice to meet you. Okay, today we'll making product. Okay, I want to ask for all. Okay, this group, what product?
Banana smackdown.
Okay, good. And then beside banana next, what is drink? Green tea. Okay, next this group. Fried rice and? Okay, good. And this group? Okay, very delicious this product. Okay, next. This one? What is? Oh, this group. Okay, this one? Why? This is a very good your idea. Okay, this group? Sam? Okay, this one? This group? What's your product?
Ramen and drinks.
Ramen and? Okay, and this group? Okay, because I see the listening the kind of product is very good. Okay, let's start to making product. Let's go. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hi everyone, we are from girls group. We are from group 2 girls, and we want to introducing ourselves. The first one is me. Hi, my name is Novi, and the second member is.
Hi, my name is Adila.
Hi, my name is Lina.
Hi, my name is Sindra.
Hi, my name is Shakila.
Hi, my name is Sindra.
Today we make raboki and mojito Yakult. The second member is one to introduce and explain the tools.
The tools needed for raboki is stove, knife, cutting board, pen, bowl, chopstick, spatula, tray, secor, spoon.
Okay, thank you. Next, member 3, please introducing yourself. The ingredients needed to make raboki and mojito Yakult Morocco orange are the ingredient for drink: ice, orange crystalline Morocco sugar, Sprite, Yakult, basic, orange lemon. Ingredient for food: coffee, empty mushroom, noodles, sesame, water, mozzarella cheese, egg, salt, sugar, powder flour, and suki. Okay, thank you. Next, member 4, please introducing yourself.
How to cook raboki? Soak the onions until cooked and put aside. Pour water and put and boil it. And the raboki and boil in until half cooked. And the noodles and boil it half cooked. And the mushroom and various kinds of seafood. And the seasoning and stir until mixed. Add the mozzarella cheese and raboki is ready to be served. also beautiful to look at. And there are also drinks too. Mojito, Yakult, Orange, Morocco. It tastes delicious and fresh in your mouth. Plus there are ice cream, so that you can feel it.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Go. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from group 1 and we will presentation our food. But first I will introduce myself and our member. My name is Anifa, he is Azam, he is Gatan, and he is Fajri. Our food is mac and cheese and Fanta Yakult. And we will tell you about you what is the list of the tools and the ingredients. First, pan for boiling water. Second, stove for heating the pan. Macaroni is main ingredient of mac and cheese. Thank for time I brought it back to Adifa. Okay, thank you Azam. Okay, now we will hearing how to make it step by step mac and cheese from Gatan. Step 1, we fill a pan with water and we cook the water. After the water hot, we cook the macaroni and from 4 to 3 minutes. After that, we cook the macaroni again with a milk until it's cooked. We throw the cheese. Thanks for the time. I will give back for Adifa. Okay, thank you Gatan for explaining about making food step by step. And now we will explain how to make a drink from Fuzzy.
Prepare a glass. Fill the glass with red Fanta, then add Yakult. Enter add nata de coco, water white. Lastly, add ice until it's full and cut. Thank for the time for it back to Adifa.
Okay, thank you Fuzzy for explaining how to make the drink. So our food is really successful. The food is so cheesy and for more taste, we can sprinkle it wasabi. And our drink is successful too. This drink is good and tastes so nice. Okay, maybe that from group 1 for the presentation.
Wassalamualaikum